Hi coders, welcome back to 30 Days of Python series. I am Suresh Kumar Tulsiram. I am taking you to the day 29. Functional tools. Lambda, map, filter and reduce will be taken today. So far we learned first program in Python, variable data types, variable naming rules, operators in Python, bitwise operators, bitwise shifting, complements, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets in Python, if, elif and else in Python, loops we explained in Python, functions in Python, loop control statements, loop challenges, pattern, prime numbers and sum, variable scopes, local, global and non-local, list tuples and dictionaries, recursion, Fibonacci and factorial, file handling, read, write and append, CSV. Exception handling, try, except, else, finally, rise, etc. Modules in Python, loop concepts, class and objects, methods and methods. Inheritance, single, multiple, multi-level and overriding, polymorphism and encapsulation. Day 29 today topic list are lambda functions, map function, filter functions, reduce functions, use cases, slide points and recap. We will move on to the first topic, lambda functions, anonymous functions. Lambda functions is an anonymous function. A lambda is a one-line anonymous function. No function name will be included. See, here you can see the example square equal to lambda x, then colon x into x. So, print square is a variable. Within bracket, if you put 5, then it calculates the multiplication of that number, the same number. That is 5 into 5, 25. In this way, lambda functions can be arrived. You can fix one formula to the lambda. Then using the variable, you can get the values of the lambda's output. Now we will see the topic of map function. It applies a function to each element of a list or iterable. Returns a map object iterator. That is, and you see the numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the squared variable is equal to list of map, and the lambda, lambda is calculating x to the power of 2. That is, this is nothing but squares of each number. Okay. Then print squared number will be appeared. If you see print is that variable square, this is the output 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is the squares of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will see filter function. Filters items based on Boolean condition. It returns elements where condition is true. Now you see numbers 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Even is a variable. We are just filtering it using list command. List filter and lambda x is modulus of 2 equal to 0. If it is divisible by 2 and the modulus is 0, then it filter out. Okay, the numbers, this conditions satisfied are 10, 20, 30. So that's the result. Now you can see the reduce function. Reduce function, I think, what performs cumulative computation on a list found in function tools module. It means you have to import the reduce from the function tool. Then you can apply variable 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then total equal to reduce lambda x plus y numbers. Then print total. The total will be cumulative. It will be displayed. Now we will see the use cases in real world. Lambda one-time quick functions. Okay. Map, apply transformations, Fahrenheit, Celsius. These are the examples. Filter, extract values only past students that can be filtered. Then reduce, aggregate, that is total sales. Cumulative total will be displayed. Now we will see slide points. Lambda, one linear anonymous function. Map, apply to all elements. Filter, keep only matching element. Reduce, aggregate values. That is a cumulative value used in data processing. Welcome to day 29 of our Python 30 day series. Today we will learn about 4 important functional programming concepts in Python. One is lambda. Lambda, this small anonymous function. We set the formula and you can run it. Okay, this is map. How to use this map? Apply a function to each element, mapping to each element like that, and filter. This filter command. Keep only elements that match. a condition. filter. Okay, another 5, 4. Okay, reduce a sequence into a single value. That's all. First, we'll move on to the first example, lambda function. How to use lambda? That is the first example. You know, a simple example I'll take. Now normal function. Definition. This define square x, return x into x. This is the one function. Lambda function equal to square lambda equal to lambda x, using only one variable, that x equal to x into x. This is the format. Lambda, how many variable you want to use, that you mention here, then colon, then your formula, whatever arrive the formula that you will decide using lambda. You can make it 2xy also, you can make it 2x cube also. So whatever it is depends upon your choice. So this way lambda can be used. Now you see using lambda how it comes, and using this straight away function how it is. Both are same. Okay. Map with lambda. We'll see one example like numbers, using numbers. Numbers equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squares equal to list. Map lambda x equal to x square number. Okay. I told you, lambda can be used in different formulas. Here x square. This is 2x. Okay, 2x. You can run this command, you can see that. Original 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 become squares. 1, 4, 9, 15, 25 become doubles. That is into 2 and x into x. Filter with okay. The same example we can take it using numbers and list filter. Okay. What it does, filter, keep only element that match a condition. Okay, let us see. Here you see the lambda function modulus of 2 equal to 0, that is even number. That should filter and put it. Whichever is greater than 20. The second function is, the second variable is whichever is greater than 20, that should come. Let us use this. See here 10, 20, 30. Clearly it is defined. Got it? Now you see, using lambda, a plus b and a into b, reduce. What it does? Reduce, it will give, okay, reduce the sequence into a single value. That is the purpose. Reduce a sequence into a single value. Let us see how it does. Sum equal to sum all, product equal to product all. When you click it, sum 15, product is 120. Okay. Now changing map, filter and reduce. Filter and reduce. Okay. Now you see, from func tools import reduce. Function tools import reduce. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. And result equal to reduce lambda a comma b, a plus b, map lambda x square, these numbers, sum of squares of even numbers, result is 120. Using this function, it is 120. So friends, today we learn lambda. Quick one line function is lambda, and map applies a function to all items. Filter, select items matching a condition. Reduce collapses a list into a single value. See here, the list is big and it gives a single value. And that's all the presentation today for day 29. Thank you. We'll see you on tomorrow, day 30, with a mini project. Alright friends, with this we have come to the end of day 29, and I as promised, day 30, our final day in Python 30-day series, is going to be a special. We will wrap up things with many projects like a to-do list app, a calculator and a quiz program. So you can put together everything you have learned from day 1 till now into real working code. From installing Python on day 1 to data types, loops, function, loop concepts, and now projects, we have completed a full beginner to intermediate journey in Python. This makes the completion of our 30-day Python learning series. I truly hope you have enjoyed learning step by step with me. But remember, learning doesn't stop here. Use these skills to build your own projects, experiment and explore deeper topics. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and share these videos with your friends so more learners can benefit from this free series. Thank you for staying with me from day 1 to day 30. I will see you soon with the new advanced content and live projects. Until then, keep coding, keep practicing and keep growing.